My name's Paterson, like it says on my lovely sign. Don't know if you can see on my little table. Move this a minute. Okay, that's better. So I'm going to be singing you a few of my own tunes this evening. This next song is a love song, and it's really about just trying to tell somebody how much you love them. Oh. This is called Not Enough Words. Feels like there's not enough words for me to say how much I love you. Feels like there's not enough ways for me to show you just how much I love you. So how can I tell you when it's too much for words? So all I can say is that, baby, you are my world. Feels like there's not enough words for me to say just how much I love you. Feels like there's not enough ways for me to show you just how much I love you. And if I had a tale, the end of time, still wouldn't be long enough to tell you how glad I am that you're mine. Feels like there's not enough. Feels like there's not enough. There's not enough blood in my veins. There's not enough air in my lungs. It's just not enough to show you. There's not enough blood in my veins. There's not enough air in my lungs. There's just not enough to show you what's inside my heart. What's inside my heart. And all that I wanna do is make you happy in every way. And I just wanna spend every second with you. Ooh, feels like there's not enough. Feels like there's not enough. Feels like there's not enough words for me to say just how much I love you. Feels like there's not enough ways for me to show you just how much I love you. So it all feels lovely and mellow, which makes me think I shouldn't do this song. But it is Friday night, isn't it? So I'm going to go for it. This one's called the What Song. So I'm not rough enough for you. Don't look like doo-wop song. It's a bit of fun, that one. Just to clarify, I'm not one of the lady boys of Bangkok, in case there was any confusion. They're outside and a bit later on, apparently. Space empty, lost in confusion, thinking too much about you means that I need to leave that space empty. 'Cause I don't need any of this, I just need light. And how can I tell what's wrong from what's right? So over on my little table over there, I've got some cards, which you're free to pick one up. And you can also sign up for my mailing list. Ooh. And if you do that, I'll send you a free song, a free MP3. And I've also got some CDs for sale. I've just recorded a new EP called Hear Your Voice. It's not officially released, but I have some limited edition advance copies for sale this evening for the bargain price of £5. And this song is on the EP, and it's a bit of a love gone wrong song. This one's called Let Me Go. You could have had me so easily if you'd wanted me. And I would have done anything for you at that time. And now you think you've done me no harm, and so you've no cause for alarm. I just want you to know that everything is not fine. The wounds that you gave me haven't healed, and I'm still unable to feel anything like the way I should for you. You've got me trapped, what can I do? And you still won't let me go. No, no. And now you still won't let me go. You played with my mind, oh so unkind. What did you find when you treated me differently from everybody else? And when you spoke without honesty, oh, was it sheer cruelty? Or just that you can only think of yourself? And the wounds that you gave me haven't healed, and I'm still unable to feel anything like the way I should for you. You've got me trapped, what can I do? And you still won't let me go. No, no. And now you still won't let me go. You could have had me so easily if you'd wanted me. I would have done anything for you at that time. And now you think you've done me no harm, and so you've no cause for alarm. But I just want you to know that everything is not fine, because the wounds that you gave me haven't healed, and I'm still unable to feel anything like the way I should for you. You've got me trapped, what can I do? And you still won't let me go. No, no. And now you still won't let me go. Thank you very much. I can't read my own writing. I did train to be a doctor at one point, and that's where I picked up the bad handwriting, I think. I'm going to do a couple on the piano now. Hello, I'm over here now. It's so lovely to be here, by the way. It's such a lovely stage and great sound team and Steinway, which I'm going to have a little play of. It seems rude not to. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-da-da-da-da-da. what makes an eyes change, but I prefer them unhappy. Before I start to play this game, but how do you know what true happiness is? How can you tell if you've never tasted it? Oh no, you've never tasted it. Bath on a Saturday night, so you're smug and married, and that look he gives you fills you with delight. So why do I do this to myself every time? So masochistic. Yeah, I've always got to cross the line. Oh yeah, I've always got to cross the line. To myself, do what I da 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 da. Do what I da 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 da. I know he takes you for granted, and you play the dutiful little wife. But if you were mine, let me tell you, I make you happy every night. It's ridiculous, and I'm ridiculous. I know that this will never be, and I can't believe that this is happening to me. That this is happening to me. Good for you. Thank you very much. So I may have mentioned about having an EP for sale this evening. Just there. It's my new EP. It's called Hear Your Voice. And this is the title track from the EP. Just wanna hear your voice, baby. I long to see your smile. I just wanna hear your voice. hear your voice. Wanna look into your eyes, and I long to feel your touch. I wanna look into your eyes. I miss you so much. Wanna feel your skin, and I want to sink straight in. I wanna climb inside you, wrap myself up in you, be consumed by you. And I just wanna hear your voice. I just wanna hear your voice. Yeah, and I can't get that picture of you out of my head, and I remember every word you said, and I wanna climb inside you, wrap myself up in you, be consumed by you. And I just wanna hear your voice. I just wanna hear your voice. Thank you very much. That's the first time I've ever performed with a piano and not a guitar. I'm sure you couldn't tell that. I'm going to head back to the guitar then. So I'm going to do a song you might know now. It's a song by Prince, also performed, I believe, by Tom Jones. Sing along if you know it. Don't have to be beautiful to turn me on. I just need your body, baby, from dusk till dawn. You don't need experience to turn me out. You just leave it all up to me, and I'm gonna show you what it's all about. You don't have to be rich to be my girl. You don't have to be cool to rule my world. Ain't no particular sign I'm more compatible with. I just want your extra time and your kiss. You gotta not talk dirty, baby, if you want to impress me. You can't be too flirty, mama, 'cause I know how to undress me. I wanna be your fantasy, baby, you could be mine. You just leave it all up to me, or we're gonna have such a good time. You don't have to be rich to be my girl. You don't have to be cool to rule my world. And no particular sign I'm more compatible with. Well, I just want your extra time and your kiss. 'Cause women, not girls, rule my world. I said they rule my world. So act your age, mama, not your shoe size, and maybe we could do the 12. You don't have to watch Hollyoaks to have an attitude. No, no, you just leave it all up to me, my love. Be your food. You don't have to be rich to be my girl. You don't have to be cool to rule my world. And no particular sign I'm more compatible with. Well, I just want your extra time and your kiss. And I said soft, and then a little bit of harder or slow, and then a little bit of faster or some, and then some more of your kiss. Well, I said soft, and then a little bit of harder or slow, and then a little bit of faster or some, and then some more of your kiss. Your kiss. You don't have to be rich to be my girl. You don't have to be cool to rule my world. And no particular sign I'm more compatible with. Well, I just want your extra time and your kiss. Thank you very much. So this is going to be my last song. As I said, please do feel free to take a card or join the mailing list. I would love it if you did. And you'll get a free copy of this song, which you may have heard on Radio Wales. This is called Thought It Might Be You. Time without you passes so slowly, there's nothing for me to do but dream about you. And in all my dreaming, one thing stays true. Yes, I love you. But I'm jumping every time the phone rings, and it's so hard when it's not you. 'Cause I thought it might be you saying you miss me. Thought it might be you saying you need me. Thought it might be you saying you want me and you love me. I thought it might be you saying you're longing to kiss me. Ain't never felt like this before. And I know it's never gonna happen, but oh, I wanna give you some more. Remembering all the things things you said and done, and how you make me cry and take me so high. I thought that you might clip my wings, but you don't even try. And I know we can fly, but I'm jumping every time the phone rings. And it's so hard when it's not you, 'cause I thought it might be you saying you miss me, thought it might be you saying you need me, thought it might be you saying you want me and you love me, thought it might be you saying you're longing to kiss me. Ain't never felt like this before, and I know it's never gonna happen, but oh, I wanna give you some more. I thought it might be you, I thought it might be you, my baby. Well, I thought it might be you. Oh, 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 na na na. Oh, oh, oh. Still jumping every time that phone rings, and it's so hard when it's not you. 'Cause I thought it might be you saying you miss me, thought it might be you saying you need me, thought it might be you saying you want me and you love me, thought it might be you saying you're longing to kiss me. Ain't never felt like this before, and I know it's never gonna happen, but oh, I wanna give you some more. I wanna give you some more. Thank you very much for listening, and thank you to the guys sorting out the sound. That was great. I enjoyed it. Enjoy the rest of your evening. Cheers.